Just vibe out with me.
You ready? Okay. I desire you. No one else will do. Passionately pursuing you. From my heart, I do.
I do. Yeah. Listen. I live my life between the margins. The poetic justice is causing all of my misfortune. The pain that's in my chest, it got me feeling like Spartans. I'm trying to get her whole heart. I'm aiming, she the target. I'm taking bigger steps like my baby sis. I pass the number, shoot my shot, I'm catching the assist. And I'm just speaking from my heart. You can even call it flowetry. I get butterflies if you say yes, cause you're my poetry. And totally, you understand. Wrote this so you can notice me and take my hand. And maybe we can sow the seed because she crazy. But that's that stuff I like, so I don't mind going half on the baby. Sheesh.
Desire you. No one? No one else will do. What you say? Passionately pursuing you. From my heart, I do. What? Okay, shit. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. I'm thinking about the way you stare into my eyes. I'm thinking I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I hear is visions on replay and sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. They can wish away, but really we don't want to. We just wanna get away and sit right next to you. Yeah, I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Okay, I want you around. You better sing, sir. I'm gonna get his back, cause he's singing over here. Nah, I'm gonna let him sing, cause he sing for real.
I desire you. No one else will do. Passionately pursuing you. From my heart, I do. Ooh, 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 ooh. Clap it up for my girl Velvet. Clap it up. Yeah, that's vibes. I love that song. Huh? I don't know. I really don't have vocals. I can just hold a note. You know what I'm saying?